Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am NIK NIKAM. This is a quick market update on March 19, 2021, Friday. This was the quadruple triple witch day, and we're going to look at the main indices, namely Diamond, Spider, and Triple Q. Is the wave chart of a triple Q. I always start off on February 16th when we had this mega drop in the triple Q, which dropped like 12 to 14%, and then it made a turnaround on March 5th. From then we had a good impulsive wave reaching all the way up to 324, starting from 297. So that is almost like 27 points upward movement, and it reached a peak here. After that, we had a pullback, which was expected after we had a 5-wave impulsive wave. Either it's 1 or A. Then I expected a B, C correction. And as I expected, we had this A, B here. I thought we were going to have a flat correction here. But sure enough, I think the Fed chairman is, in a sense, they were not going to extend the low deposit requirements for the banks, and along with that, the persistently high 10-year treasury bill rates, I think, sent this market spiraling down. As a result, it dropped more than 50% of the impulse wave that had covered, and it was close to like 55%, and it bounced back from there, and in the last 3 hours it kind of slowly drifted down. Now the real challenge is going to be to see if this can cross over some of these moving averages. The only moving average that was at the touch was the 13-point moving average. It is below 20-point, 50-point moving averages. So I think NASDAQ is still kind of hanging in the air. I hope this will turn around and come back, but it has a long, I thought it was 324 and the highest was 338, and it was getting close to the high point, just as Dow and Spider had done. But it looks like we have taken 3 steps back here, and it's a long way now to climb this one. Unless we have some real good news in the market, this may be posing more challenge in terms of whether it can continue to climb like as it did. Of course, if this was like A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3 going up, still we need an impulsive wave coming up here. If it's going to transpire next week, we will see. Right now, the stochastic hit the bottom here and has turned up, and that's as far as triple Q is concerned. Let's look at the diamonds. Here's the diamonds, and at the same time, March 5th, it made a beautiful run up all the way from 306 to 332 and change, and it has dropped. It was only like 23 points. It was like almost like maybe about 30% drop, and it pulled back, and in the last hour gave back most of the gains it had made today. But at the same time, Dow and Spider have had such a big move and had made multiple new highs. I think we need to watch this carefully and see if this is the beginning of a major downtrend. Let's look at here and see. Go to 1 month time. That's not helping us. Let's go to, okay, as you can see, we had a correction here, and it went through all the way here, and it looked like it has hit a peak. Now this is, we have like a hammer here, and now we have a red candle. So that's 1, 2. I need to watch on Monday and see if they're going to be having a 3 fallen nights. I hope not. That is where we are, and the stochastic, this is on a monthly, daily basis. Let's look at the Spider. Okay, Spider is same thing. March 5th, we had an impulsive wave which went from 372, and it was within like less than 15 points of a striking distance of 4,000, that emotional line. But however, it just didn't reach that, and in the last 2 days, it took a nosedive just like the other indices, and it certainly crossed the 38.2% retracement, and we got A, B, C retracement, and it pulled back a little bit, and it's holding a little better than Dow. We have to just wait and see as how this is going to transpire in the coming days. Let's go back to daily chart like we did for the Dow and see if there's any more information here. Okay, 3 months. Again, as I said, we had some corrections already here, and we had an impulsive wave, and now we have 2 days in a row looking red. That's where we are, and we'll catch up with you on Monday and see what happens. I hope there will be some good news for the stock market, because most of the news we had this week was going against the stock market, and I thought maybe the stock market survived the FOMC, but only to give up all that gain from the rise in 10-year treasury bills. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.